Hey, it's Mike from the Spike customer service team. Today we're going to show you how to use your flex racking arm.
First, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials for the job. You'll need some Teflon tape, your valve with racking arm, a sanitizer spray bottle, and a wrench. You will need to assemble the racking arm fitting first. Before inserting the tube into the fitting, make sure to wet the inside of the fitting and tube for an easy install. This will avoid damaging the internal O-ring. Once lubricated, softly slide the racking arm tube as far as you can into the fitting. After your racking arm is assembled, you will need to connect the assembly to the flex with a clamp and gasket. We recommend spraying your 1.5-inch gasket before installing for easier rotation. We will now connect our valve to the racking arm adapter. If brewing with the standard flex, always be sure to wrap your valve threads clockwise with Teflon tape prior to screwing the valve into the fitting to create a watertight seal. Make sure the valve is connected tightly into the fitting so it doesn't rotate independently from the racking arm. When the time comes to rotate your racking arm, loosen the tri-clamp 1 to 2 turns. Once loosened, you can freely rotate the valve to turn the internal racking arm.
Well, thanks for watching, and we hope that helped. If you need any further assistance, just reach out to us.